Yeah, welcome guys to the unboxing of Huddle 4G mobile hotspot. Yeah, this is the one edition I got. The edition from Proton. My father nearly bought a car brief, so we get this for free for 1 year, and then we should pay for this. Okay. Huddle smart. Please. Codes 4G mobile internet for you. I've opened this before for this unboxing. We got Proton's warranty and manual guide. It's a guide in Malay and English, both language. Put it on side. And here's the password and information of they gave for us. Here we go, the dog and Huddle spot. The Huddle spot. Before this, I put the battery, so they gave separately. This one over here, we put just this like this. Oh, I've got my password here, that's why. Open this thing, the battery, just open. You see, they got info map. Just put it in, and my password. That's it, and we got the charger dock and three side plug-in plug. To handle this, but socket. That's it. Put it aside. And suction topper, 360 degree. And yeah, this is a glass. See the suction pump, it works like put it, turn anti-clockwise, and see it lock, unlock, and take it. That's it. Okay, now for on the Huddle, there is a on button right here, then USB dock. See, press the on button for a while, then here comes the red light. It should progress for a while, then it will turn to green, blue. When it become blue and green, that's mean okay, the satellite conditions are alright. It's loading, and okay. That's it, the signal is okay, green and blue. That's it for the unboxing. Thank you.